Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop at buyluke.com. This is where we make all those awesome custom-made tumblers, coasters, and cutting boards. We've been waiting for a couple of weeks for our latest purchase from Xtool.com, which is our new RA2 Pro rotary attachment system, which makes making those tumblers that are tapered a lot easier and more accurate for you. We use this on our Xtool D1 laser. It's a 10 watt laser, and we really look forward to seeing what it is. So let's not wait any longer and dig into it. So it looks like, as you can see here, it's going to start out with your regular rotary attachment. But the great thing part about it is that we have a stabilizer, so you can raise it up so it meets the laser and keeps the cup on edge, which keeps us similar burn through the whole cup, so you don't get any hot spots or missed spots, which I'm really looking forward to using. It also came along with what's called a rotary accessory kits. Let's check it out because I haven't looked at it yet. I'm really looking forward to it. Oh, boy, they packed this really well. There we go. Ooh. Okay, looks like what it is, it's a rotary chuck. So with the rotary chuck, we can do things as well like custom engraved rings. We can put the bits on here to put on the inside of the cup to hold the cup steady as well. It should be a lot of fun, and we look forward to seeing how they turn out. And we can keep working on cups that like we did for our friend Aaron Sutherland over at Jet Setter Lifestyle. He's also on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, I think. Check him out. He's a great guy and a good friend of mine. Aaron, I hope you like your mug. It was a pleasure making it for you. So don't forget to jump online and check us out at buyluke.com to place your custom order. You can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and most social media accounts. Just look at us up at buyluke.com. We look forward to seeing you, and we look forward to more. We look forward to your order.